Interrupt this program to activate the
scan it
for the emergency alert system, Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of
posted on September 10, 2024.
a local weather emergency. A local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a warning for southeastern Montgomery County. At 6:30 this evening, Doppler radar indicated producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to half an inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. Bye.
Germantown, Bethesda, Potomac, White Oak. It is a long list. Turn around, don't drown. When encountering flooded roads, most flood deaths occur in vehicles again. The National Weather Service has just issued a in central Maryland.